Ito po yung DTF printer po namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 98. Ito naman yung printer head. Ito naman yung copying. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang in system level is tama lang. Dito naman yung waste tank na nalinis nung Friday. AVR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng use, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa Sayan. Magenta, yellow, black, DTF powder, and white. Daily checklist and daily output.